Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno5 Lite, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go to the phone application, and here on the right upper corner tap to the three dots icon. Now just go to the settings and you'll see here the block numbers section. So just tap here, and as can you see right now we got here the 2 block numbers in our blacklist. So just to remove the number from the blacklist, tap here on the X icon and confirm to unblock, and as can you see we got here the message that this number has been blocked. So if you want to just remove the second number from there, just repeat the action, and yes, can you see, that's really simple. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.